Welcome to Knidal, a cross-platform knowledge management solution. In this product demo, we will show you the content management system and how end users seamlessly access content on any device. As soon as you log in as an administrator to the CMS, you get access to everything needed to manage content and users efficiently. The module dashboard provides a central place to manage all knowledge modules. You can create new modules, edit existing ones, and streamline content management effortlessly. The user management section allows you to add team members and assign roles, ensuring seamless collaboration and controlled access. Lastly, in account settings, you can customize branding, including logos and colors, to align with your organization's identity. Now, let's take a closer look at how content is created and structured inside the content editor. Editing a module is simple. From the module dashboard, click on the pencil icon and it takes you to the content editor, where you can create, organize, and structure content. Inside the content editor, everything is designed to be intuitive. On the left, you will find sections and subsections, which help structure content into organized categories. In the center, you have the main workspace, where you create, edit, and arrange content. On the right, the media toolbox lets you add various media elements like text, images, audio, video, and even YouTube videos. To build content, simply drag and drop elements from the toolbox into the workspace. And if you need to reorder them, just drag and rearrange, giving you full control over how the content is structured. You can also add a new section from the left panel, and like everything else, sections can be easily sorted and reorganized with drag and drop. If you need to give access to another team member, you can do so through the Manage Access section at the top, ensuring right people can collaborate on the module. With these tools, organizing and managing content is simple and flexible. Now that we have created and organized content in the CMS, let's see how it appears to the end user on the web. The web experience provides a clean, structured interface where users can seamlessly access published knowledge modules. On the left, users can browse sections and subsections, while the main area displays the corresponding content. Our AI-powered instant search feature allows users to quickly locate any topic or keyword and jump straight to the relevant section. Content supports inline multimedia, including audio, video, images, and GIFs, making learning more engaging. The interface automatically adapts to the user's system preferences, supporting both light and dark modes. And finally, the responsive layout ensures a seamless experience across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices, adapting perfectly to any screen size. Now, let's take a look at the mobile experience. Each Knidal module can be published as a dedicated mobile app, fully branded to match your organization's style. When I click on the icon, you will notice that the content loads instantly, providing a smooth and buttery experience. The interface follows material design guidelines, ensuring a familiar and intuitive user experience. Navigation is simple. Sections and subsections are neatly organized in the side menu, making it easy to explore content. Notice that the device isn't connected to the internet, yet all multimedia content remains accessible, enabling uninterrupted access to knowledge even in offline environments. Our instant search feature lets users quickly find specific topics or keywords, ensuring they can jump directly to the information they need. The app automatically adapts to the user's system preferences, supporting both light and dark modes for a comfortable viewing experience. And finally, the UI is optimized for larger screens like tablets, ensuring a seamless and intuitive experience across different device sizes. Thanks for joining us today. Knidal makes knowledge accessible anytime, anywhere, on any device. Reach out for a personalized demo and get started today.